to deliver quality education in dynamic instruction, relevant resources, and sustainable extension programs gearing towards socio-economic development. Mission: a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Core values: aim, moral uprightness o optimism. A, nationalism. C, compassion. A, adaptability. S, service. T, teamwork. Goals: produce competent graduate. Number 2, foster strong linkages in network. Number 3, synergize human capital.